Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the Google account that joined the beta. This matters because opt-out ties to that account. Once checked, open Google Play and tap your profile icon, then manage apps and device. Next, go to Installed or Library and locate the specific app you're leaving. This is the first actionable step. You are now positioned to access the app's Play Store listing and the beta controls tied to that listing so you can opt out cleanly. Once on the app page, scroll until you find the beta section that says Join Beta or you're a beta tester. Tap Leave and Confirm. This tells Google to stop delivering beta builds. Make sure to check the Play website if the option differs there, because sometimes web and app controls are out of sync. After leaving, uninstall updates from settings right arrow apps if the app remains on a beta build. That forces the stable package to reinstall. This sequence ensures you revert to the public release. You finish by restarting your device and then installing or updating the app from Play Store so the stable release replaces any beta build. If the beta version persists, clear Play Store cache and data. Make sure to sign out and sign back into the Google account tied to the beta. If problems continue, rejoin then leave the beta once more, or contact the app developer via the Play Store listing. This troubleshooting tip resolves most sync or rollout delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.